everyone, I'm Laura Meng, a solutions engineer at LaunchDarkly. Today, I want to talk about how to handle a database migration while keeping your application available and disruption-free. Let's see how coffee retailer Beanbank, who's just been acquired by Megabrew, can move all of their customer data from their existing database into the new system. Migrations like this are high stakes. One wrong query, and customers lose their subscriptions or loyalty points. Nobody wants to be the reason they don't get their coffee in the morning. This kind of migration could be a one-shot deal. Flip the connection string, deploy, and hope nothing explodes. If something breaks, we could roll back, but by then the data can already be inconsistent. That's risky, stressful, and completely unnecessary. Instead, let's use LaunchDarkly's built-in migration flag to make this safe and incremental. So I will create a Beanbank migration flag, and this flag will control exactly where reads and writes go. For my scenario, I'll use 4 built-in stages since I will have both systems up at the same time. They'll be off, shadow, live, and complete. LaunchDarkly handles the routing and tracks metrics, latency, and errors so that I can move through each stage confidently. We start in off. All reads and writes go to the old Beanbank's database. Let's try a quick write. Perfect. Stable and safe in the legacy system. Now I'll switch the flag to shadow and LaunchDarkly and route all of my users. In this stage, LaunchDarkly sends every write to both databases, but reads still come in from the old one. That means I'm keeping both systems in sync while quietly testing the new schema in production. So users still see data from the old system, but the new one is getting exercised in real time. Let's make sure. Next, I move to live. LaunchDarkly keeps writing to both systems, but now reads come from the new Megabrew database. This is the real test. Customers start getting responses from the new backend, but we can fall back instantly if anything looks off. LaunchDarkly's migration metrics are tracking this in real time, so I get no surprises. Finally, I move the flag to complete. Now both read and writes go exclusively to the new Megabrew database. Perfect. At this point, the migration is officially done. No downtime, no data loss, and customers never noticed a thing. And that's the whole migration, done safely, step by step. LaunchDarkly's migration flag turns what used to be a nerve-wracking deployment into a controlled, data-driven rollout. We just moved Beanbank's production data into Megabrew's system without downtime, without drama, and with full visibility. If you're interested in trying out migration flags for yourself, you can sign up for a free developer account on launchdarkly.com/signup.